Hi guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you the 5 pairs of pants that I believe every woman should have in their closet. So the first outfit that I have here, finally got the backdrop set up. I am so excited about this because it makes the lighting in here look A1. And if you guys like these type of styling videos and haven't subscribed already, you definitely should. I would absolutely love to have you. I make multiple videos like this along the week. So yep, stay tuned. We're going to show you guys the 5 pairs of pants that I think are absolute staples in every girl's wardrobe. So anyway, we're just going to get started. I'm going to show you guys a few options because I really do think a lot of these are very versatile or practical. So the first one that I have here is very simple. It is the black skinny jean. I know skinny jeans are kind of like, I don't know, like they're not in right now. I don't know, like they're not in. I never wear skinny jeans, but I will never get rid of a black simple pair with no holes in my closet. Why do you ask? They're perfect for going out. They're really good if you have to wear all black for work or like a school presentation. And I just think that they're super versatile and definitely worth it. This pair is from American Eagle. I think they still have them. They're just like the American Eagle jegging. I've had mine since like 2015 and they actually have worn super well. I like them high-waisted. I find them a little bit more flattering, and I styled them 2 ways here just to show you guys. You can wear them casually still as well as wear them like a little bit more dressy. So the casual way I have here is a pair of my white Doc Martens as well as a little graphic tee. You guys will see that I wear the same kind of pieces over and over again just to show you guys like how you can really change up your look based on the pair of pants you're wearing. So that is kind of like the cash look. And then the dressy look that I have here is with just a pair of strappy sandals as well as a black button up. Again, if you have to wear all black or if you're trying to kind of go out after for like happy hour or something like that, I think that wearing all black is just like a good go-to. You always look chic. So definitely keep a pair of black skinnies in your closet. You won't regret it. Woo! The next pair I have here is a pair of kind of boyfriend denim. My preference, vintage Levi's. You guys know I love my vintage Levi's. I'm wearing them right now. I actually picked up this pair in LA and they make your butt look super good. I don't know what it is about Levi's men's denim, but they just make your butt look like you do your squats, like you get your squats in. I love wearing these dressy and casual. The dressier look that I have here is just simple with this bodysuit that my friend Christina designed. It's her brand Lorena, as well as just a little touch of luxe with this Christian Dior belt, and then these white shoes that I got in Shein from one of my latest hauls. I really like this look. I think it's really put together, and again, really fun if you're like heading out to the bar with your girlfriends or something like that. And then the casual look I have here is just something really easy. I matched it up with a pair of brown suede boots. These are from Zara. I've had them, I think they came out this season. If there's something similar from there or any other store, I will link it somewhere in the description box below. And I wore my favorite aritzia cardigan right now. You guys probably have seen this cardigan all over Instagram. It's like the sweater of the moment. I really like it. I think you guys know, if you have been watching me since like 2014, you'll know that I love wearing cardigans as a top. So this is just like the more elevated version of that. So I'm really only showing you guys how to wear these one way, but it is the skinny jogger. Skinny joggers are like the more tailored sweatpants, so you just look a little bit more put together when you go out. This pair in particular is from Blvd. I love stretchy skinny joggers. I think they look great for like, you know, on the go after your workout. They're really good for the airplane. They're good just if you are having a lazy day and you're heading out to meet a friend for coffee. I only wore this one type of way, basically because I only wear sweatpants one type of way. It's with a hoodie and a pair of sneakers. This is what I came up with. I love these Vans because they're super graphic, so it just makes your outfit look like you put a little bit more thought into it. I don't know. I tried here, guys. So the 4th pair that I have here is kind of an unexpected pair. It is a pair of khaki colored cargos or even skinny pants. I have both. I just love this military green color. Basically any military green pant. If you want to switch it up from your regular blue jean or your black denim, I feel like this color, this like olivey military army green, is so great. It looks so flattering on all skin tones, all body types, etc. I know white pants, which I also love wearing, are a little bit more daring, so I decided to go with these just because they're a little bit more neutral and go with a lot more. These are actually from Gap Kids boys section, and they are size 14 boys, and we still have them here, and I love them. So the way that I decided to style this kind of army green pant is just really simple with a pair of strappy sandals and a chunky knit. This is so something I would wear if I was like going to fashion week or something that I really want to stay kind of casual but at the same time have to look a little bit more elevated. I know people are going to get at me being like, what kind of weather would you have to wear a strappy sandal and a really heavy chunky knit at the same time? And my answer for you is Toronto. And then on the flip side, I did it a little bit more casual just to show you guys that yes, you can wear these casual and dressy, super versatile. I wore this with the graphic tee I wore before, put on a black vintage belt as well as my white Doc Martens. I love this look. I specifically did not want this in the thumbnail because I want to shoot it actually outside and put it on my Instagram because I love it that much. It's just so something I would wear on like a vacation. For those girls who have a 9-to-5 or like to dress up in general and are really sophisticated, I think that the fifth and final pair of pants that every gal should have in their closet is a trouser. This is because you will have events where you want to wear a trouser, you want to be a little bit more dressed up, and at the same time, I love this pinstripe detailing because you can also wear it casual, and I'm going to show you guys how. Love these with just a collared shirt and a beautiful shoe. I think that trousers are just something that can grow with you as you get older, and it's something that you could definitely invest in. I've seen a bunch of really great ones at Value Village as well, so if you want to save a little bit of money, head on over to the thrift store. It won't disappoint you. But this pair is actually my mom's. It's a Hugo Boss pair, but I've seen a lot of more affordable versions as well, so I'm going to link some options in the description box below. I also wore them in a casual way with this black sweater from Shop Redone, as well as my Doc Marten Jaden boots. I love wearing a more masculine type of look and having my hair down in waves because I just love that like feminine, masculine juxtaposition. I think it looks really cool and chic. So yeah, that is definitely how I wear it casually. Throw on a leather jacket and you are all set for any type of event in New York City. So guys, this wraps up my video on 5 pairs of pants that every woman should have in their closet. If you guys like these type of videos, definitely give it a thumbs up. It would mean so much. Also, if you want to see anything else styled, head on over to my Instagram because I post a lot there. But hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.